All right, so today Carly and I are going to do a science experiment with pennies. And we're going to see which of these liquid items, we're going to add liquid to this one to make it liquid, will clean the penny better. So we're going to start off with our single penny here. Do you remember what we call this penny? Do you remember what we call it? The control.
The control.
So this penny, we're not going to do anything to it because all of these pennies look pretty similar in how dirty they are. We tried to find some that all looked alike. So this one will be our control, which means we're not going to do anything to it. It's just going to sit there. For the rest of them, what we're going to do is add one of these liquids to it, and we need to try to determine which one do we think will get the penny the cleanest after they sit for 10 minutes. So Carly, which one do you think will get the penny the cleanest?
I think it's going to be this.
You think it's going to be that? And what is that?
It's soap for the dishes.
Yeah, all right, so that is our dish soap. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to put these liquids in there just enough to make sure we cover the top of the penny. Okay, so we're starting off with dish soap. So we have enough in there that our penny is covered. And now this one is lemon juice. So we're going to pour some. How's that smell?
Good.
Does it smell good?
It smells like lemons.
It smells like lemons.
That's enough because the
Yes.
lemon juice, like when it has the seeds in it, that makes it worse.
Yes. All right, and then we have,
Can I do it?
can you do it without spilling? Then we have some Diet Coke, and we're going to pour some in there. Okay, we're covered.
Because maybe the Diet Coke is going to make it dirty.
And then we're going to do just some plain water. We'll see what water will do for it.
Maybe water's going to make it better.
Okay. Then we have this one, which is vinegar.
Vinegar.
Here, I'm going to pour this one because it's very full and big.
I can hold it on the bottom. Because this vinegar has like vegetables and stuff in it.
Yeah.
Because it has like vegetables.
Then we have our Act mouthwash.
That's mine and I didn't like it.
Okay, that's covered. Now for this one, this is our baking soda. So we're going to put a little bit of baking soda in there. And then we're going to add some water so that we can make it kind of like a paste that will stick to it. Okay?
That looks so cool.
So I'm going to mix that up in there. Okay? And then finally, we have some ketchup. Be interesting to see what ketchup will do for a dirty penny. So,
Maybe it's going to make it dirtier. Just doesn't want to come out when it doesn't.
okay. So, we're going to mix that up and let it sit. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to set our timer for 10 minutes. And in 10 minutes, we will come back and see how our pennies look and see if Carly was correct and that soap gets the penny the cleanest. You still sticking with your soap? Yeah? First we have our control.
Yes.
So that's what the pennies originally looked like.
Then dish soap. Then some lemon juice. Some lemon juice, some Diet Coke, some water, vinegar, soap wash.
What is this?
Wash.
Mouthwash.
Mouthwash. And then, what's this?
Baking soda and water.
Baking soda and water and ketchup. The ketchup looks like it's going bad. Baking soda. Oh, look at the baking soda.
So we've been going for about 2 minutes.
2 more minutes.
All right, let's see what happens.
Okay, so
Okay.
we've been going.
Mm-hmm.
And just a reminder, this is the kind of penny that we start out with. This is an old weathered penny.
And
Okay.
this is a shiny penny.
Yeah, so that's a new one. So that's what we're trying to see with our different liquids that we put this stuff in. Which liquid gets us to go from this old one to this new shiny one? You know, which one will get us the closest to looking like that? That is our goal, what we're trying to do.
Because it almost looks like golden.
We've got about 10 seconds left before our timer goes off.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna start once the timer goes off by pulling these off one by one. I'm gonna pull them out of the liquid
We're done.
and use my paper towel,
Can I take
Two.
one out, Mom?
wipe them off. Okay. So that we can see
Mom, can I take one out?
which one.
So this is the
This
Dawn.
is the dish soap. That's what we look like after the dish soap. Okay, this one is our lemon juice.
It kind of looks like shiny, like this one.
You think it's looking shiny?
It almost looks like that.
Almost. Then we have our Diet Coke.
Mm-hmm. Can I put the water? Oh.
So,
It kind of looks like shiny.
all right, now this is our water. So what happens when we just soak our penny in water? Okay. And now we have our vinegar. My fingers are going to smell oh so good after this one.
It kind of smells bad because when I smelled it when we were not starting.
You didn't like that
Oh.
smell?
See this one? As we're wiping it, this hasn't happened before. We're getting some of the dark stuff off of the penny as we're wiping it.
I don't really know what this one.
Okay, this was our mouthwash. This is the kind of stuff that we do to try to keep the cavity off of our teeth.
Yeah.
So it's not like the smell good stuff.
Doesn't kind of smell because it's been in our house. It looks shiny like this one.
Oh.
Jesus.
Okay, now we got the baking soda.
I know which one's gonna be bad. The ketchup.
Okay,
Or maybe
there is our baking
it kind
soda.
of looks like this one.
And now I gotta dig around in the ketchup to get the
Quarter.
last one.
You.
Mm-hmm.
It gets your fingers all dirty because it almost looks like blood.
This one's gonna take a couple of paper towels.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
It's kind of gonna be. The ketchup looks so gross.
It does, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. And did not know my dad is doing the recording.
He's doing the recording?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So, Carly, now what we need to do, that one's yucky, is we need to decide.
Well, this one looks kind of pink.
So, where's the shiny penny? Where's the new shiny one? Okay, so we go through. So, our dish soap. Not a lot of change with the dish soap. We look at the lemon juice. It looks more, I think, like the shiny new one than the old dirty one. So that one I think did a pretty good job. The Diet Coke, it's got a few spots where it's shiny, but for the most part, still kind of dirty. So right now I'm thinking that out of the ones we've checked, the lemon juice It's kind of the brightest, the shiniest. This was just our water. Okay, you can still see all the dark spots on it. Then we have our vinegar. We've got a few shiny spots coming through. Our mouthwash. Okay, it's clean, but it's not shiny. Our baking soda. Still not too great. And then
the pinkest one, it kind of looks like pink.
Kind of looks like pink. So can you
Turn it.
kind of angle it a little bit?
There we go.
So
It did change colors though.
it did.
And on the back, it's
Yeah, it's
blue.
got some green.
Yeah.
So the reason that our pennies go from this, our pennies are made out of metals called copper and zinc. And as time goes on and they are exposed to more air and elements, it gets these copper oxides that build up on it. That's all that dark stuff. Okay? So the things that made it more shiny, that took off that dark stuff, were like our lemon juice, or vinegar, because we saw when we used the vinegar, when we wiped the coins off, we actually got some of that dark stuff to come off of our coin. And our ketchup did a pretty good job. And that's all because those types of liquids are very acidic, and the acidity is what helps get those oxides off of our coin. So while the dish soap might have cleaned our coin, it isn't able to get down in there and remove those oxides off.
Even this
So
one.
if you're able to do an experiment like that yourself, let us know. What results did you get? Did you come out with the same results, or did you try a different liquid that worked even better?
Even try this at home. If we're gonna post this somewhere at my mom's school or my school, and this one kind of smells like ketchup.
Yeah, that one does kind of smell like ketchup, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
My fingers.
Hopefully
smell
you
like
learned a
ketchup.
little something and can have a little fun with seeing
Even
what you think will get the pennies the cleanest.
even try this at your house.
Mm-hmm. Add a little bit.
I got it.
So one thing we decided to do is we're going to soak them for a little bit longer and see what the results end up being. So let's see if anything changes by putting them in for
About this
longer time.
shiny.
You want to get one to be just like that one?
Yeah, because if it's maybe gonna be the soap is, we're gonna maybe wait for it to set for maybe 11 minutes,
Maybe 11 minutes.
Or maybe longer.
maybe 12 or 13.
All right, so we are back. It has been about an hour now that we let these soak. So they soaked for 10 minutes before, and we checked them, and then we let them sit for about another hour. So we're gonna check them again and see if we get any different results. So
Maybe
again,
the ketchup is again pink.
maybe it is. So again, we started with our control penny that looks like that, and that's what all of them pretty much looked like before we started. All right.
Our dish
So
soap.
here we go. We're gonna pull this one out of the dish soap. Maybe. It's a little slippery.
I
Okay.
could maybe do the water. My mom wants to do a little bit,
Yeah.
so I don't get messy hair.
Yes. All right. So this one was in the soap. All right. We cleaned it off.
Even there's some shiny.
A little bit shiny,
Yeah.
but still got that dark stuff on it. All right, the next one. Uh-oh, we lost all of our paper towels. Oh, we'll get them. The next one was in our
I'll get them.
lemon juice. Ooh, Carly, look at this one. So our penny that sat in the lemon juice.
It looks like it's shiny.
Yeah, that one is pretty shiny, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
So the lemon juice
It's better.
did a really good job of
I'll put this.
cleaning our penny. Ooh, that one's pretty shiny.
Yeah.
All right, now,
I like that one the most.
yeah. Now we go to our Diet Coke.
There's some shiny a little A little
Little
bit
bit?
shiny. Can I take the water one out?
Okay, so our Diet Coke, it's got a couple of shiny spots, but still pretty dirty.
How much did you add in there?
Oh yeah, we'll talk about that one in just a minute. All right, and now we have our plain water, right?
Can I take the soda out?
No. I don't want you to get all dirty.
You should have mixed it.
Yeah. All right, so our water, still pretty dirty. Not too shiny, very dull.
This one looks
Now-
good too.
We've got our vinegar. Remember our vinegar last time when we wiped it off? Our paper towel actually had the dark spots on it. Let's see if we get anything else this time.
I even
No.
took a nap because my neck started hurting.
Yeah, you did. You took a little nap while they soaked it, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right, so here is our vinegar. It's a little bit shiny. Definitely compared to like our one that was in our water. It's more shiny.
I know
But
the ketchup is going to
Definitely not as shiny as our lemon juice, if you can see that.
Yeah, because
All
let's
right.
see our mouthwash.
Next is our mouthwash.
It looks so shiny.
It looks shiny, you think?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now
Let's
my
see.
mom's going to have a pink border in this one.
Let's see if our fluoride rinse that helps keep our teeth nice and strong, if it can clean and
Well,
shine up a penny.
this is actually yucky because this been in our
All
mouth
right.
too long.
Not too shiny. Still pretty dull.
Even this is yucky because it's been
Alright.
in our house for days
So,
because that's used.
Our baking soda, we changed just a little bit. This time we added more baking soda to it to see if that would make a difference.
Because it's different because of the water
Yeah.
when you flush it down.
When you flush it down.
Yeah, because it almost looks like you clean the toilet and then you put this stuff in here.
All right. So it's nice and smooth.
It
Feels really smooth, but still not very shiny.
Ooh, cheese. It smells.
All right. So before we get this one out, what do you think?
It's
Do you think it's gonna be, which one's gonna be more shiny? The lemon juice
the lemon juice?
or the ketchup?
The lemon.
You think the lemon juice? All right.
The pinkish.
Let's dig around in here
It's gonna be pink.
and see what we come up with.
Oh,
That's
jeez.
pretty yucky. Thanks for getting me another one.
Jesus. Is it pink? Still? Is it still pink? It
All right.
is
So it's still got some dark spots on it.
Even you know
It
why.
does have some shiny spots, but
It's
I would
pink.
definitely say now,
It is pink.
which is our winner? Which one got our coin the shiniest?
The lemon juice.
The lemon juice. Yep. I would definitely say
The
lemon juice is our winner for today.
None of the winners about this, because this one almost looked like it was smooth, and it almost looked like it was gonna win. Well, it had some this
Yeah.
stuff on the back.
But it didn't, did it?
Nuh-uh.
No. It is nice and smooth though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll
All right.
say a winner for the lemon juice and this because it's smooth.
Oh, you think it should be kind of a winner too because it got us
Yeah.
so smooth? All right. Can you say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.